Alright guys, so today is Friday, 20th of January 23. And we're up 3% today. Woohoo! Down 8% yesterday, up 3% today. When you look at the price movement, anytime it goes up, it's getting smacked down again. So of course I know that the price is being manipulated, the volume get cut off at some point. They don't want it to run up. Like, it's crazy. But for some reason, when it's down, it just dropped like a rock, right? It's suspicious, to say the least. However, hey, I'm happy if it's this low, if it's under this. For another year, that's great because that means I get more shares in my possession, right? Hey, I'm in this for the long term, guys. So you got to think of it this way, you know. Most people don't want to buy when it's boring. Look at Bitcoin today. Like, nobody wants to grab it when it was like $15,000, but now everybody wants a piece of it when it's at what, the 22,000 right now. Oh wow, yeah, almost 22 300 something. But anyway, it's not about Bitcoin. My point is that, this is the time to accumulate when it's boring. All right, so it went as high as 2007, and after hours a little bit down, but not by much. Okay, look at this. It's the same number. Like, what the F, right? 22%, of course, the same number, a little bit up, meaning that today's volume was a little bit down. What was that? So let me see. Yeah, hardly any. So we're trading at 3.53 million shares today. That's nothing. That's only like a little bit over, 1% of share being traded today. So what does that tell me? Well, it tells me a couple things. That number one, nobody is selling this thing or trading it at the very least. Whoever is selling, it's probably just day traders, right? An institution is not buying in. I think they're waiting for retail to jump into the stock and to perhaps try to, try to accumulate the option, make money from the option chain by keeping the price at a certain point, right? So this is why, people who buy option, you're gonna lose because they could just suppress this price forever until they cannot make money off of option anymore. And on top of that, they make money off of other play by pumping it and dumping it on your head, thinking that you're fighting the shorts, right? But whatever, we're just too distracted at this point, and we don't know what's going on. We don't do as much digging as we should on your investment, And then when people point out, you get angry, right? But anyway, today at 60%, and then of course the amount shorted share is to the millions again. 1.1 million shares being shorted off exchange, right? So if it's like within this couple of days, it's been in the millions, but for some reason, this never changed, right? So what does that tell me? It tells me it's probably within that swap or whatever, or the creation of fake synthetic shares out there. I don't know. Like, there has to be something that keeps this number down that I don't know about. Off exchange, offshore account, who knows? Like, something, right? Or they're not afraid. They're not afraid because they're able to cover this much. That could possibly the reason why they don't. They're not scared of this stock yet, right? At least it appears to be that way. So, again, I'm in this for the long term, and I'm kind of interested in how this part of the stock market is going to turn out, right? Because again, like with the whole short squeeze things and stuff like that, I think it's not ending yet. I'm hopeful for the company to do well because of the NFT marketplace and all that stuff. And, fundamentally cleaning up the balance sheets and trying to do everything they can to cut down costs, increase revenue, right? As much as they can. So, all right, well, I'll see you on Monday for this particular update.